We see the unseen, hear the unvoiced desires, feel the gentle clasp of age-worn hands, the weary eyes of the caregiving hearts. We are the echo to the silent plea, the bridge between hope and reality. In a world where mobility often becomes a privilege, we stand firm to render it a promise, a right. We envision a world unshackled by the chains of age or ability, a realm where the grace of aging is embraced with dignity and love. Our belief is steadfast that accessibility is a right, not a privilege. A right to live with dignity, to age with grace, to embrace the sunset years with a serene smile, enveloped in the assurance of being cared for, respected, and above all, loved.
This is Ask Sammy, where you can simply ask questions about caregiving, like how to help dad who has Parkinson's eat better. And we'll give you products, resources, and services. You can add those products to the cart, learn more about anything you need, and even continue to ask questions to Sammy as you navigate the website. Like maybe, how do we pay for all this? We'll give you connections to those resources, like a blog post on how to pay for adaptive equipment for home modifications, where we dive deep into the details to give actionable insights for family caregivers and healthcare professionals alike. If our self-serve tools don't work well for you, connect with an occupational therapist who are key to helping people be independent. So we've created a directory of OTs with a variety of specialties so we can make sure it's easy for you to get answers for caregiving.